Hello everyone, my name is Sweets and today we're making some amazing chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. Let's start by melting 400 grams of dark chocolate over a pot of simmering water. Stir occasionally to prevent any kind of burning or seizing from occurring. More on this topic at the end. Once the chocolate has been fully melted, pour onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Using our handy dandy spatula, let's spread it as thick or thin as you'd like. I prefer a 1/4 inch thick. Once finished, place in the fridge till solid. Next, in a mixer, beat 268 grams of unsalted butter till it looks like this. Then add 191 grams of sugar and 180 grams of light brown sugar and mix till creamed together. If the sugars and butter were creamed properly, it should look like this. Add 114 grams of eggs and 5 grams of vanilla paste in additions. Scrape the bowl down between each addition. Please do not skip out on scraping the bowl. It will look like this when all combined. Now it's time for our dry ingredients. Add 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 6 grams of kosher salt, and 6 grams of baking soda in additions until combined. Hey, it's our friend Mr. Chocolate again. Let's crack that bad boy up and add the slabs into the mixer. Did you know that surveys suggest that chocolate chip is America's favorite cookie? Leave a comment below if it's your favorite too. Once all added in, pulse the mixer till the chocolate cracks into various sized chunks. When the chocolate has broken down into chunks, remove the mixing bowl and scrape down the sides of the bowl using a bowl scraper. Next, wrap the bowl with plastic wrap and store it in the fridge for at least a half hour to allow the dough to firm up and for flavors to set. What's crazy to me is this cookie was invented by accident. A baker by the name Ruth Wakefield was making a cookie batter and thought that by throwing in chocolate pieces into the dough, it would melt, yielding a chocolate cookie. But instead, the chocolate chip cookie was born. Once chilled, form your dough balls and lay on a pan lined with parchment paper. I will provide gram measurements per size cookie in the description. Bake the cookies at 375 for 12 to 13 minutes and sprinkle a little flaky salt on top of the cookie straight out of the oven for that extra depth and flavor. Take a bite and enjoy. Now here's some tips. When melting chocolate, you want to have your heat set low to medium to maintain a light simmer. Too much added heat to chocolate will cause it to seize and or burn. When chocolate seizes due to too much heat added, it becomes very thick and pasty rather than smooth and spreadable. Another way to prevent this is also by stirring your chocolate frequently. As long as the chocolate is in motion, it will not have heat concentrated in just one area of the chocolate, but instead have the heat distributed as it is stirred. Next tip is to always scrape your bowl down well between each ingredient addition. If this step is avoided, it allows for ingredients to not be properly incorporated, leading into things such as chunks of butter not being creamed with the sugar properly, or flour not being incorporated, and many other issues. If you're truly looking for that soft, chewy kind of cookie, all the ingredients need to be well incorporated. Baking is a science. In order for that science to take place, things need to properly be mixed for that sweet harmony of a product. On that note, thank you everyone for watching, and please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you like the content. Also, comment down below anything you'd like to see in the future. Take care everyone.